Hey guys, in this video we shall look at creating new containers in Personyze using the simulator tool. Containers are page elements that are used by Personyze to either gather specific data, whether static, dynamic or user-generated, or apply actions into. Those refer to personalization actions that can only take place within predefined containers. So containers are pretty important to define if we want to use the platform's unique capabilities. Let's click on the Simulator tab at the top navigation menu. The Simulator is a unique tool that allows us to easily and quickly tag various page elements without requiring any code changes or database changes. This eliminates many hours of integration work that is usually required by other platforms. In addition, the Simulator is used for testing how segments and actions we created are executed. It does so by simulating the criteria that has to be met in order to qualify for the segment. This allows us to navigate the website within the simulator area and make sure that things happen just the way we wanted them to. When the simulator opens, you should be able to see your website open in a frame at the bottom of the window. To start creating new containers, make sure that the switch to View Container Mode checkbox is checked. When the checkbox is checked, the container creation pop-up window should appear above the website overlay. You should now be able to point your mouse at any element of the page, with that element being marked with a blue border and its details appearing in the container creation pop-up. Clicking the page element you want to define as a container will pause the process and allow you to name the container, set the container type, and save it for later use. Let's look at an example for the demonstration site we created, which sits at personyzedemo.com. First, we'll click the Simulator tab at the top navigation bar and make sure that the switch to View Container Mode checkbox is indeed checked. The Container Selector pop-up should now appear, and to move the pop-up window, simply click it anywhere where there is no text and drag it to your desired location. Use your mouse to hover above the desired area. For example, let's click on the total amount for payment that is displayed in the top right corner where the shopping cart is. Once the blue frame surrounds the value in the shopping cart, click it. By the way, if you accidentally selected the wrong page element, simply click the Select button in the pop-up window to continue with your selection process. Once you have the correct page element selected and its details appear in the pop-up window, add a descriptive name. We'll call this one Cart Total, and let's select its container type as Grab Volatile HTML. This container type refers to containers that hold highly dynamic content. This means that Personyze will scan their content every 6 seconds and make sure that any necessary adjustments to the segment and actions are executed. When finished, click Save. That's it. We've now created a new container. If you now navigate to the Settings section of the top navigation bar and go to the Container area, you should be able to see the newly created container and edit its details if necessary. Good luck!